All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So pay for, to buy something. Yes, I will pay for it. Here you are. I will pay for it with money, for example. Pay for it. Let's have a look. Money. Here we are. Perfect. Yeah, to pay for it. Are you going to pay for it? Well, who will pay for it? She won't pay for it. She did not pay for it. I pay for it all. I paid for everything. Yeah. How can we pay for it? How can we pay for it? Cash, credit card, debit card? Yeah. I pay for everything with credit card. Yeah. How cool is that? Why would I pay for things with cash? Why would I? Yeah. We paid for it earlier. Yes. We paid for it before we left. Yeah, I pay for things and then use it. Yeah. By paying for it now, we can enjoy it fully later on. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I am paying for it now. Yes. Paying for it now. Yes. I am going to pay for it now. We would like to pay for it today. Today. Yeah. When else? Now. Here and now. Definitely. Yeah. She will figure out how to pay for it tomorrow. Yeah, don't worry about it. She'll figure it out tomorrow. We will figure out a way to pay for it soon. Yes. We have different ways to pay for things, not just credit card. Yeah. I think that credit card is one of the safest ways to pay for things. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, it's quite important. It's quite, yeah. So pay for things, yeah. So, can you use pay for in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's keep exploring.